Hey guys, what is up? Welcome. It's Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm host Martin. In this episode, we are gonna be talking about will Bitcoin drop? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell. If you want to keep on being chatting with us whenever the stream is on, join us on Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. Thank you guys for joining me tonight for this awesome stream on a great Monday, man. I hope you guys are having a great day. So, links to the Discord have gone out. I'm going to pin here on top of the chat on YouTube. So, y'all can go there and join us on the Discord. On that note, let's go and check out market cap and see who's in the house. For Wars is money. May, chicken egg. And Carrie, good evening. Good evening, Carrie. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for being here, guys. So let's get going, right? What is happening with the market? I know we're getting a southwest turn. And it's something we talked about, right? Remember, we said yesterday, we're rejecting the 20 moving average. We're very likely going to get it moving down to $2 trillion mark. Guess what? We're still above 2 trillion, 2.01. Barely there. We already moved down. Hit that support and trying to bounce. All right, look at that. Come back to 2 trillion. Lowest point. Lowest point, 1.997. So 2 trillion. So we are holding the areas that we want to hold. We still have the bullish divergence in play. Guess to try to rally again and break above that 20. But right now, it's not looking the strongest. And we're already talking about this yesterday, right? Continue moving down for Monday. So we are moving down. I said Monday, Tuesday, we're going to get a move. Yes, 3% to the downside in general. We're going to start going to each coin and see how they did. But, you know, we're at support. Well, from here, we're going to determine, are we going to rally, we're going to drop. On a rally, we're going to go to the 20 moving average, and a drop again, we're going to be looking for down here at 1.95, 1.95, yeah, 1.95 trillion. That's what we're calling it at. And again, here's what we've been at before, right? Yesterday, we did drop to a low of 1.959, right? So almost 1.96 trillion, and we're okay. Again, trying to find support and see where we're going to go. Last time we have bullish divergence, nothing else bearish. Bitcoin, 42,319. Where are we at? I know they're moving down from the market. 1.98% to the downside. Guess what? Alts dropped a lot more. Almost dropped a lot more. So Bitcoin, we're getting stagnation Saturday and Sunday like we said we would, right? We're going to say sideways motion. I said Sunday, Saturday, we're not going to get a lot of motion. Maybe some slightly downwards motion. Depending on the chart we look at is what we see, right? So if we go to this one, they're almost zero, but on the red. And then if we go on the other one, they're almost zero, but on the green. So again, we are moving down. We're breaking below at 40,196. I talked about breaking that level and what it would mean. Well, right now it means that we have a resistance overhead at 40,196, and we could be on track to back test and try to find support at 40,997. Right? Those could be the moves. So if we go here to this other chart, we're going to see a little bit different of a story. And in this here chart, we are floating on this middle of nowhere land. And trying to see if we're going to find some kind of support. The next support is at 40,626. And moving up, we could be going for a 20 moving average, and that's going to put us at 43,866. Other than that, not a lot going on, right? Again, we did move down, not the strongest move, but it is a moving down. Probably get some of that pressure out and try to rally, man. We really need to get a rally going on crypto. Otherwise, it's just not going to be good on the long term, right? We need to get a burst happening. The last time we had bearish divergence strong, moving sideways. We're starting to consolidate. If you remember, we're not doing anything bullish or bearish, and now we're at that point where we could see that maybe we're doing something. We're going to check 114 negative, 107. So no, we're coming up higher with less negative momentum. Now let's go here on the RSI and see if we have the same story. On the RSI, we are creating some hidden divergence, some hidden bullish. It's not going to be the strongest move, but at least it's something bullish, and it gives us some hope. Hope for what? A bounce to 20 moving average. Look at this large wicks to the downside. That means the market does not want to see the price going farther than it is, at least not in the short term. But that is until we eat up whatever supplies at this level, and then we could look for a massive drop. Well, not massive, 40,600. From here again, looking for a bounce to that 20. Hopefully with a hidden divergence, we can get to 40,102. Again, on this chart, we get that area. On this chart, we would be targeting that 20 moving average, but also 40,196, which we know could be a resistance, right? So let's go to the 1 hour. And the 1 hour chart, we were looking at this bullishness, right? This was yesterday. And even though we dropped here and then we dropped more, we lost that divergence, which again, that's fine. No worries, no biggies. 9 p.m., whenever the streams ended, right? So we kept on dropping. Yeah, try to bounce, hit the 20, rejection even coming lower. Are we doing anything here that is bullish or bearish? Well, from the previous island, which is where we should anchor, low, negative momentum, or negative momentum here, or negative momentum, right? Coming down lower, and here also lower. So no, we're not doing anything bullish. Neutral at 44.35. Again, really trying to see where we're going to go. There's nothing bearish right now. High point here, lower point on the price, positive, less positive, and high to low on the other side. We're just sitting neutral, 44.35, right? Daniel says, can you check out 1? Can I check out 1, 2, 3, and 4? We can do a couple coins. Let's go here and do let's do Ethereum. 3,214. Oh, how Ethereum has fallen. Yeah. Again, we're rejecting this area. We talked about maybe trying to find support at 3,224. We lost it. We came back down and are holding support at this here area, which is 3,212, which is where we have a few retracement. We also managed to find support on a drop at 3,158. Again, nothing else happening here, bearish or bullish. Sold at 38.32, so we got to get back up to his neutral zone. Hopefully, we're going to get a strong move. Now, it would not be weird if we see another drop, right? It would not be weird if we see another drop. Maybe come down here. Down here. It's going too low. Come down here to this here level, right? Find some bullish divergence here. Less negative momentum. And look for a pop, right? That would be awesome. Which just means that we need to drop a little bit. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Right, so high to low, positive is positive, and high to low. Nothing here that is bearish. Low to high, negative morning. All right, some hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Now we're trying to hold that level, which again is good. That's key. That's what we want to see. Holding support, and here we also have it against the RSI. So hidden bullish. Could look for action to the upside. Maybe it's got 20 moving average at 3,298. But for this to happen, Bitcoin needs to allow it, right? It means either Bitcoin chills or it pumps. Bitcoin drops, it's going to take Ethereum down with it. That's the way the market's been moving. I don't think Ethereum is going to decouple. Right now, it's moving very much like Bitcoin. 1 hour, strong bullish. Again, potential for action to the upside. We are starting to get small bounce. Will we go higher? We already made the 20 and we're rejecting. That's not good. We want to get above the 20, not reject it. If we're rejecting, we're going to pull back down a little bit. We might try to get another go at the 20. Might try to get another go at 20, right? We are still neutral at 40.21. Let's go. A lot of talks about ADA, so let's go check out ADA. ADA at $1.58. Oh, look, it managed to go higher, 13% yesterday. Wow, that is a nice rally. Got rid of the divergence. Remember we talked about it. Said if it goes higher, it's going to get rid of the divergence. No longer has it. It's good. It managed to get above $1.52 right now. Floating between that $1.52 and up here, that 50% retrace at $1.67. It's not looking bad for ADA. It's not looking bad for ADA at all. 32. Now 50% retrace overhead as resistance. Right? Percent 32. Not bad, man. Doing okay. Nothing bearish. Per hour, we're looking at some bearish here. We did get it here briefly at an area that we said we could try to hold resistance, if you remember that. We have managed to hold a little bit of resistance. We dumped for 2 candles. Now we're starting to climb up again. And on this climb, man, we are still lower than the previous high. Now we're going slightly higher now. Great. This is 0.021. This is 0.021. It's just going sideways. So on that sideways motion, we are coming higher. Now we're having weak bearish divergence, right? And that's still going to put pressure on the price. I might try to get us to drop a little bit. But, you know, it's just going to depend on how Ethereum handles it here. For here on the 4 hour as well, we have this divergence that is bearish. And it is strong bearish. But, you know, if Ethereum keeps pumping the way it's pumping, it's going to shake it off. Otherwise, if it drops, we're looking for a retest of $1.52. We're bought at 76.15. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And again, here we had the bearish divergence. We dropped on it for 2 candles. Try to get the pop. And on that pop, I think we got rid of the divergence here. At least in the MACD. On the other side, we kept it, right? We're still coming in lower as we're going higher. But here's gone. No longer do we have it against the MACD. And now on this new pump, we are creating a bearish divergence, right? Yo, what's up, dude? Doesn't matter. How's it going, man? Thank you very much for being here. Much appreciated. Yeah, I'll give you a call tomorrow, man. What's wrong with the antenna, man? I haven't been looking at my Helium Explorer. Am I, like, not mining? Did it go down or something? Yeah, it's not getting a lot of efficiency, but I'm also getting penalized on the, yeah, on the transit, right? It's low because there's a lot of new antennas coming on around here, so. Yeah, but we can talk about it tomorrow, for sure. As well, what's up, my friend? Thank you for being here. Bearish again, ADA. Potential for moving down, even for a 20 moving average at $1.54. It's not bad for ADA. Congrats if you're holding ADA. It's doing really good. It's doing beautifully. And it could be changing the tune for the market. Now, Andrew did say ADA's officially processing more transactions than Ethereum. And it took 66,000 in fees.
Yo, hope you've been well. I'd like your thoughts on daily and 4 hours for Phantasma Soul.
Yo, for sure, man. Thank you very much for being here, Adrian.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
It's awesome. Appreciate it. Versus tens of millions on Ethereum. That's pretty good, man. Can you check out one? Yeah. So we have Cody. I'm gonna start making a list because we haven't done lists in a while. There's not a lot of requests coming through. So we have Cody, Juan, and then Adrian's gonna jump the queue with Soul. So up next, Soul, right? Just want to make sure I'm not missing anything here. And then we'll do after those, we will do Pitch and Tea. Right on. Yeah. Well, we can check it. Doesn't matter for sure. All right, up next, Soul. Soul to Tether. And then someone said card. Alright, Soul at 2.79. On the daily, yo, we're breaking back down. Oh no, the cup with handle we're looking for, it's almost invalidated, right? I mean, yeah, I would say it's invalidated. We're dropping more than 50% where we want to be at. So cup with handle is no longer there. Kind of sucks that we didn't go for the pattern. Where am I going to retrace after hitting that 786 and come back down to almost 100%? Not good, right? It's hurting. Again, pattern didn't mature, right? We never broke confirmation right up here. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. There's nothing here that is bullish. So you said Soul on the 4 hour though, right? Daily and the 4 hour. I'll go back to daily though. Let's go back to daily. So Soul is struggling a bit. So nothing bullish. Again, below a 20. Kind of sucks that we broke it and we didn't go for the head and shoulders. Right? Let's go back to the 4 hour. Had the bullish divergence. We're getting the rally, which was looking okay. We've created some bearish divergence afterwards to here. And I'm going to match it here on the bottom here on a second. And here we go again from a high point to a lower point. Again, bearish divergence. Strong with that. Potential fraction downside. Starting to go down. Now coming down lower. Low, lower, low. More negative momentum and lower still. Sold at 29.50, right? So not doing great. Not doing great. There's nothing bullish. Just trying to get us to hold here. The only bullishness we could find could be from way back here. And it's going to be like a Hail Mary pass. And you're hoping that someone catches it in the end zone and helps us round back up. But again, a lot of resistance on the upside. We're going to see how this is going to hold. Not looking the strongest, right? Sold at 39. Oversold at 29.50. Let's look at the 1 hour. Look at this. It's just dropping, man. It's taking a massive hit, man. It just keeps on coming lower. And every time we go lower here, we've created bullish divergence from here to here. We're failing to rally from here to here. We're still failing to rally. We should be aiming for the 20 moving average. You just don't seem to care about it. I don't like where it's at. And here also, look at this. Negative, less negative, strong bullish against the MACD. Strong bullish against the RSI. We should be looking for a rally, man. I hope that this starts to pump somewhere on the Sol, because it's not looking good, man. And to answer your question, you hope I'm doing well. I'm doing awesome. Thank you very much for being here. All right, so that's it. Up next, that's it for Sol. Again, I wish it was doing better. There's not a lot going on, though, right? No falling peaks, no other weird, quirky pattern that we could look for. 4 hour, I wouldn't even say a double bottom of anything. Like, we're just dropping, dude. No pattern here. All right, let's go to Cody. Cody to Tether. I have 2 Cody shards. That one and this one. I think this one we've been looking at. Yep, seems to have more information as well on the daily. All right, Cody on the bullishness. Railing yesterday took a pump of 13%. Right now going up 4.93 again. So some coins are taking advantage of Bitcoin's drops. And again, there's nothing bullish or bearish, right? Low point, higher points. We're coming up higher on the price. Less of that negative momentum and higher on the RSI. And then here we're coming down lower, less positive and lower still. Yep. And we are sitting bought at 60.27. Not a lot, man. I really wish we had something. Bouncing at that 618, testing it as resistance, get above it. Gonna be targeting up here at 44.16. Otherwise, not fast. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Oh, someone told me I should get a wallet the other day, and I forgot which wallet it was. I wrote it down and I lost the paper. Someone asked me, "Do you have the something wallet?" And I wrote it down, and then when I finished the stream, I don't know where I put that paper. And bro, do I want to get that wallet that they were asking the other day? Kind of sucks. Forgot which one it was. So Cody's starting to take a pump, right? At resistance. Oh, Producto, what's up? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, sorry, cutting on the 4, coming up higher, more positive and higher still. Nothing bearish. 1 hour chart for Cody. Bearish divergence strong, starting to develop on the MACD, right? We're bought at 77.72 again with that potential fraction down, so we have gone down to a support line here at 40.57. If we do break that area again, dropping to a 20 at 37.84, holding here, looking for a pump up here to 49.11. Those will be the targets for Cody right now. Again, not looking bad for Cody, right? Cody doing okay. Let's go check out one. Someone said, there can be only one. And we said, okay. Islander. One at 32.82, man. On the daily bearish divergence. Oh no, we started to break down. We're aiming for the 20. We haven't quite gotten there yet. We did get a bounce at that 786. Very nice bounce here at that 786. Again, nothing else happening. Neutral at 57.41. Pointing up. That means we should be expecting action to the upside. And if we were to draw a support line like this, we're still far away from that area, right? So we're doing okay. We're not doing that bad. 4 hour chart. Look bearish. Boom, drop. Coming down lower still. Negative momentum here. Less negative momentum. So we are creating some bullish divergence. So we had the possibility for a rally. Oh no, we might rally. Got some in here just to make sure we did have it right. No, negative, less negative. Champion point a little bit better there. So strong bullish potential fraction to the upside, and with that we should be aiming for this 1 moving average at 33.87. We are close. We are bouncing, which is good. Neutral at 45.89, still putting up. Again, we should be looking for that action to the upside. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, oh, look at that. We're dropping more. Making more negative momentum and lower on the RSI. The only thing we have here would be on this very, very short move, which again, I don't like it when this, like on this short of a move, because you usually want to get a little bit more like divergence building, like from one island to the next. But for now, kind of works, and we're looking for that potential direction to the upside. We're already bounced, hitting the 20, getting above it, and we are. I wonder whether or not I should say we're doing divergence. There is a small island here. of positive momentum. You're gonna see it from here to here. Now, if you want to consider this to be valid, we're looking at this, right? And that will be hidden bearish, and that's gonna put pressure on the price. And I believe that could be the reason that we're stagnating. Could be dropping to a 20 moving average at 32 cents, 32.55 cents, and see where we go from there, right? But that is what we're seeing here. On let's go to HNT. Hunt. The Hunt coin. $32.83. Oh no, it's starting to take a turn south. Why? Well, yesterday we did rally a bit. I mean, we closed red, but you can see we rallied here on the green. Oh, sorry, on the green. On the red wick. That's what I wanted to say. Here was green on the 1 hour. That's what I was saying. We rallied on the green. But we managed to rally a little bit, which is okay. Right now, we're still stagnating. We're getting some pullback, and that is not unheard of. It's okay. We're still finding very, very nice support here at this 382 fee retracement at $31.98 or so. So we're gonna swing out 1618 at $32.01. That's fine. So that's where we're at. And yeah, nothing bullish going on. Neutral at 44.49. Let's go to the 4 hour again. Look, low to high, more negative, some hidden bullish. Yeah, there's something going on here for us to get a rally, but we're rejecting that 20 moving average. Oh no. Why are you saying it? Well, yeah, hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction upside. We go for the 20, then we should be trying to go higher, but we're not. We're struggling to go higher. Now it's divergence against the MACD and against the RSI. It's barely there against the RSI, but it is there. If we zoom in, we're gonna be able to see that we are going slightly sideways, I would say. Yep. Slightly lower still, very, very slightly. And neutral 47.37 again with that potential fraction of the upside. Maybe go for a 20 moving average on the 4 hour. Oh man, what do we have here, man? Oosh. Hidden divergence, hidden bearish. That's what's gonna put pressure on the price. I guess strong bearish potential for moving down. We're starting to move down a bit, so we should be aiming for that 20 moving average at 32.31 cents. But we are going to come down here lower on the price, and as we're dropping lower, we are finding some strong bullish divergence. Maybe that possibility for a rally, right? There we go. Neutral 53.16. With that, that's what we have for HNT, right? Again, we're trying to rally on bullish divergence strong. Have this hidden divergence putting pressure on the price. Cards up next. Cards against wrapped Ethereum. So cards is taking advantage, and it's taking a massive, massive rally. Probably because I think it's Andrew. Am I wrong to say this is ADA based of sorts? It's cards ADA based. I think it has something to do with ADA, if I'm not mistaken. But whatever bearish we have, we no longer have. It did manage to pump 38% against Ethereum. Right now, another 19%. That means cards is pumping a lot, and Ethereum's just stagnating in the dust, looking back and saying, yo, where you guys going? Why are you guys playing without me? Why are you transacting without me? I'm Ethereum. I should be transacted with. I'm correct. You're right. So since ADA is so strong, it's definitely permeating into this project. That's what we're seeing happening here. That's why this project is acting extremely bullish. And again, potential fraction of downside on the strong bearish. If we pump more, we're going to shake it off. But we are higher than that overbought scale of 92.48, right? It is the launch pad for ADA DApps. All right. It is the launch pad for ADA DApps. We had the bullish divergence hit, and we're pumping in that. So it was not all lost when we started to rally. And here we're having this divergence, which is going to be bearish. And with that, the potential for action to the downside. Ooh, look at that. Again, we're starting to. I would, instead of looking for an action to downside move with strong action to downside move, I'll probably be looking for some flagging. Hopefully consolidation. We could get pullback, but I would be looking more for a flag to form, then try to go for another pump, and then create bearish divergence, and then action to downside, then just to do our reversal here. But again, we have pump insanely high, insanely fast, and pullback could be due, right? Yeah, all ADA related assets are pumping. Very likely, my friend. Very likely. I'm out of water. 1 second. 1 quick second, guys. I need to Ask the wife if she can hook me up with some water. I ran out of water. Sorry. Why is the music stopped? There we go. It just restarted by itself. Pumping anything. Yeah. All right. So let me make sure I'm not missing anything here. And Chorizo, Charizard, CHR. And we're gonna look at CHR. CHR. Here we go. Chorizo. Chorizo coin. That's what we're gonna call this one. For war, since he's out of gin. Ooh, sipping on gin and juice. I hope you're laid back. With your mind on your money and your money on your mind. I'm super thirsty today. Usually, this one usually lasts me the whole stream. Now I went through that one. I'm on the second one. Jeez, it's a lot of one. So, Bitcoin Jake says he's raising said horses. Did you buy into that? Jake, did you buy said horses? Is that any good? Are you earning from raising? Let me know, man. I'm intrigued. I am intrigued, my friend. So, Charizard. Let's go look at Chorizo. What is this project? I'm kidding. I know it's Chromium, guys. Come on. Have a laugh. How much do you pay for that? How much do you pay for your virtual horses? And do you earn anything in the races? Yeah, someone else used to come in here and talk about their set horse. I can't remember who had a set horse, and they asked me to look at one of the races once. Yeah, it looks like an okay project. I never got into it. I never actually had the chance to sit down and just look at it. Anyways, bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. We should be looking for moving down to that 79-cent mark at the 20 moving average. That's what we should be aiming for. Again, not where we must go, right? It's a should, not a must. Why am I saying that? Because this project, we're going to see where we're at with regards to the Fibonacci's, right? So we're going to go from a high point on the Fibs to the low point. There we go. So we're heading for that 50% retrace. We can hit that area, still have bearish divergence, and drop. Be a possibility. Remember, we anchor divergences from the highest area, so we should be anchored from back here, right? Oh, that's awesome, dude. Yeah, if you put it in the Discord, I'll show it. Anyways, bearish divergence with that potential function downside. We're sitting neutral. Sir bought at 62.93. Let me finish this coin. But yeah, if you stream it, yeah, for sure, man. I'll place it here. We're coming up higher here. Just let me know which one is your virtual set horse, and then I'll definitely bring it in. And what happens if you win the race? Do you actually get something? Sitting out bought at 66.60, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. And look at this here, right? We're coming higher. And I haven't even looked at whether or not we have divergence. So I might just be tracing this and not have anything, right? No, so we don't. Right, so we're coming down lower, more negative momentum, lower still. Now we're trying to go higher. There's nothing here that is bullish or bearish right now. So neutral, sorry, bought at 64.87. We could try to rally a little bit, right? We seem to be topping off. But we could come down here, find support, flag, move sideways, and then try to move back up to this new level. Go for that 96 cent mark, right? That 96.83 cent mark. All right, Jake says 1 minute. And where are you going to place it, man? Let me know so I can join and watch or do whatever, man. Wow, why are there so many? Yeah, here we go. All right, so I guess it's going to be on mod chat. Or yeah, I'm trying to come into mod chat. I'm hitting watch stream. All right, so this is Jake's. Jake's thing. He's gonna race his horse digitally. Which one's your name? Oh, Jake, I think it's Cream Puff or someone. All right, so he's in second. He's in fourth. Jake running. He's in fifth. He's in fourth. The Cream Puff is trying to overtake. Oh, he got overtaken by the bribe to bounce him. Cream Puff dropping to 10th. Cream Puff to 9th. Cream Puff to 10th. Cream Puff on 11th. Cream Puff on 10th. Pony Up is winning, and Cream Puff is on 9th. Cream Puff? No shot. I think Cream Puff almost broke a leg or something. It finished 11th. So no, sorry, it moved. It finished on 12th? Well, I think in the last second it shifted. Yo, Cream Puff down up to 12th. All right. So not shot one. Cool. Awesome. All right. So cool. Jake was running. That was Jake's race. I'm not sure if you guys can be heard. I don't think I have mod chat coming through. Yeah, voice chat's not coming through. I looked at what? Yeah, we looked at Cody. Yeah. All right, Jake, talk to us about this game, dude, because it looks intriguing. So, all right, that's cool. That's cool. Someone used to come in here and talk about it. Remember, someone actually had me look at one of the races a while back. I can't remember who it was that used to talk about Zed. It might have been Greg. So interesting. Yeah. It's all good. All right, cool. So that was Jake's run. His horse, Cream Puff, seems to be white, and I'm not sure what he can do to make it better. So what is this? Like, what happens if you win the race? You actually win something? All right, yeah, you can win. All right, and then you see who you're racing against? Yeah. I'm gonna bring the voice chat in. So you're gonna be heard, guys, because now I brought the voice chat in. So we're looking at the Jake's race thing. So he's gonna buy into another race again, I guess. Alright, cool. So gonna get the voice chat out of here, and alright, so this is the ones you're going against. And like, dude, how do you know their stats? Can you see what stats they have? Alright. I'm not sure what that means. Alright. Alright. So you're going against one that has quite a few wins. A couple that have quite a few wins. And how can you make your horse better? Alright. Can you breed it? Nice. That's pretty cool. How can you get more horses? Like, where do you buy them? Is it like a horse marketplace? Open seas. All right. That's the only way you can get them. All right. How much do you pay for your horse? All right. Right. So what are the classes for the races? Like class 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Griffin. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. Sounds cool. Right. So Jake's telling me that he's there's other prize pools, and you know, you have to move through once you play Griffin, and you outclass that, you move to class 5. You cannot go back to that free one. You have to play Griffin, or sorry, class 5, and you start getting better. And even though it's free to play, you can earn up to $40, I guess. Sorry, I'm not sure why it's not coming through on this. Anyone got a Femex referral? I don't as well. I'm sorry. If anyone has a Femex referral, I was looking for one. I don't have one. Sorry about that. But this was pretty cool, man. This was interesting. So I think I'm gonna be looking at what else. I think we've gone through everything. I just finished another glass of water. I'm not sure why I'm so thirsty today. But I'm gonna get out of here real quick, guys, so you guys can keep on looking at the horses. I'll be back after the stream, though. Right. So I'm gonna stop watching Jake's races. I'm gonna check here real quick what we have going on here. So let me see something here real quick. Where is where is this thing? I'm looking for something. I lost something here in the Discord. There we go. Why can I not see this, man? It's weird. Right. So, did I see your request from earlier? I'm sorry, as well. I'm not sure I did. You missed data? Yes, you missed data, Frog. Look, I just found it. Third one. Yeah, it's the third one I did. Iswa, dude, what request? You asked for a Femex referral, and then I'm not sure I got another one. Trying to short people. Any advice? You shouldn't short that project. I'm kidding. I'm not sure, dude. How do you get up to max leverage without getting liquidated? Yeah, you be very careful, man. You have to be very careful. Liquidation is extremely easy to keep running to. I would say don't use any more leverage than you're willing to. Have a good stop loss. Make sure you're not going to get wrecked. And don't try to short that project. I'm kidding, dude. I'm not sure. I've never seen that project. I'm not even sure I'm going to be able to find it here. Oh, it is. People to tether. Wow. Go figure, man. I'm not even sure where is it ranked. But we're just going to check it real quick, see where it's at. All right, so this project is definitely going on a downturn. Let's check it on the daily. How long has it been going down for? It just seems to be going down forever. Now, I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not sure how good it'll be to short this project. All it's done since inception. It's just, or since it got listed here, it's just going down. So down, down, down it goes. There's nothing to trace. On the 4 hour, we are still coming lower. We're cutting bullish divergence. So potential for a bounce to happen. Not sure if this is going to be the best place to be opening a short. I would be waiting maybe for a rejection of that 20 moving average. But again, it's entirely your trade. So your risk, right? You measure it. You go with what you can. So oversold, again, strong bullish divergence. While oversold, very, very strong action to the upside potential here. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. And here we are coming in lower also. Right, and then here to here. And here to here. So again, right, strong bullish divergence. Potential for some movement to the upside on people. So interesting project, right? Yeah. So I think that's it, man. That's it for people. Let's go back here and see what's happening on the corn. Bitcoin struggling with the 20. I know it's taking a second drop at 0.51%. So where are we gonna go, Bitcoin? Where are we gonna go? Well, we don't know yet. It looks as though we want to go for a drop to 40,997. That's my guess for this project. So, guys, what's going to be it for tonight? Yeah, I'm going to be calling this stream tonight. Yes. That's it for tonight, guys. Again, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. You join us on the Discord. Links have gone out there pinned at the top of the chat. Remember, all information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And on that note, I'll catch you guys again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.